This is a Thermoelectric Cooler and Warmer Mini Refrigerator, model MFA-10L-1. It is a semiconductor cooling unit. It does not have a compressor or any refrigerant, so it will be anywhere between 50 and 59 degrees below the outside air temperature. This unit can be used in the house, in your car, it can be used on a boat. Very easy, lightweight to travel with. It has all the different hookups on the back. It comes with a AC and a DC electrical cord, so you can plug it into your car or into your household AC. Comes with an instruction book. It has a couple shelves so you can reset the different heights you want to put different things inside. This can be used for cold drinks, juices. You can put makeup in them and cool them down to make them last longer. Or you could use this as a warmer to keep some food warm when you're going to a picnic. It has air vents on the sides and the back. It's important to give at least 8 inches in the back of space so it has good airflow, and 12 inches above so that it will not overheat or it will cool better. Your plug-in is in the back, and all your switches to turn on the cool or the warm. If you have it in the cool or the warm position, and you've been using it in that position and you want to switch to the opposite one, it is important that you give it 30 minutes rest between switching, so you would turn it off. The red light is for the warmer. It indicates it's in the warm function. Switch it to the cold and a green light will come on. And it has 2 different noise levels. It has a normal and a mute. So in the normal, the fan runs a little higher, a little faster, a little bit more noise. Not that much noise at all. Came with a protective shield over the mirror on the front. It has light, so if you want to do makeup, do your face like that. It has 3 different levels of lighting. You can put different sizes sodas. These are mini sodas that we're putting in on the top. And as you can see, it will hold up to 6 mini sodas on the top. Put a little fruits. And these are the normal size cans. You can put a couple of those on the bottom. Or you could take out the shelves and redo it to meet your needs. It does have a little area on the side of the door that you can put some small items in. demonstrating. You can reset your shelves. She's putting her makeup in it to keep the makeup a little cool and last longer. And this little refrigerator warmer works pretty well for what we wanted it for her room, where she can have her makeup and have a couple of drinks if she so desires. And thank you for watching this review, and please subscribe.